Little River Wildfire. We decided on that name. It came after the wildfires we had a couple of years ago, just next door in the forest. And this is at the time where we developed a new product, a new cheese, washed rind style, close as the reblochon from France, which is an alpine soft cheese. And it's aged for about 3 to 4 weeks before leaving the cellar and being wrapped. So what's specific about this cheese is that it is washed with a light rind and a specific red mold bacteria. So it's a red bacteria that can get very stinky, I'd say, like a smelly feet flavor. And it's also very creamy cheese with a nice taste and very soft.